welcome back to my channel. I am here today to create this black mermaid look. I hope you guys stay tuned, like and subscribe, and also comment at the bottom for whatever you like to see. See you at the end. So here I'm going to take my Morphe Dare to Create palette to create this nice festive look. You'll always start out your eye makeup with a crease color that is closer to your skin tone. What you do to one eye, you definitely have to do to another. So as you can see, I have picked up at least 3 colors from the palette, which I've pointed out, and placed them all in my crease to get the color that I'm going to start off with. Here you're going to see me take a small little fluffy brush and go in with a fuchsia color that's in Dare to Create, and I will start blending right at the crease to kind of darken up the crease area a bit. Here I'm going to take a small fluffy brush to blend that out so the colors can look cohesive. I know this part is pretty quick, but I did take a small crease brush and take this purple plum color and go in to darken up that crease area. I'm trying to make it as dark as possible. Jumping right into it, I'm going to start to cut my crease. You're going to start at the inner corner of your eye and work your way across the eye if you want to go past your eye, but I usually typically do a half cut crease, so it always ends a little past the middle. Okay, so I know I jumped back in with my eye makeup completely finished, but no worries. I am going to explain the 2 shades that I used to complete the look. If you look at the bottom, I did circle the color Inspire, which is the color I used to put in my cut crease, as well as circle the color Forever, which is that plum color at the top, to complete the actual look. And also on top in the middle, I used the Stila Liquid Chrome eyeshadow in the color Into the Blue to complete the entire look, which you'll see in your right hand corner. I also took this NYX Vivid Bright purple liner to line my eyes over a black liner. So that is the completed eye look. As you can see here, I'm going to take my NARS All Day Luminous Foundation in Bernars to pretty much place my base on. I love this foundation. Literally has been my holy grail for about 2 years. I literally have gone through about a bottle and a half. So yeah, and I have no complaints about it. It can last up to 16 hours. Definitely tested it. So here you're going to see me take the NARS Matte Concealer to pretty much conceal under my eyes, on my forehead, on my nose, as well as my chin and my cheekbone area. I pretty much use this as well as the creamy concealer as my concealers, which you will see me grab in just a few seconds. After I pretty much put on my creamy concealer, I take my MAC Prep and Prime spray, spray my beauty blender. I don't really like to wet it all the time. So one way for me to get it a little damp is to use the MAC Prep and Prime spray. And then I blend it on out from there. Here's where I begin to start carving out my cheekbones. Don't worry, it's not going to stay that light. You'll see where I will go ahead and spray myself, as well as I will set that later. But if you take a look at my nose, I typically have a pretty much like a shadowed contour. So I don't really actually take a contour color and carve out my nose, because if you take your concealer and you go towards your nose, it automatically creates that shape. What I appreciate most about this palette is in the middle, if you see, it gives you your actual contour shades, as well as the actual shades that you would use to conceal your actual concealers. But I only use the contour shade, which is the shade that I just pointed out. I'm going to take this blush by Becca Cosmetics. It's called Lantana. I believe I might be saying it wrong. But I think it's a beautiful blush for us melanin sisters. As we get closer to the end, I wouldn't suggest this for my oily ladies. I wouldn't suggest taking the Tarte Maracuja oil to use on your actual cheekbones to blend out your highlighter. But me, I'm combination, so I think that that's one of the way, or the easiest ways, that I'm able to blend it out. So after I set my face, I typically go ahead and go in just to be a little extra with the So Hollywood by Anastasia Beverly. I believe this is actually $25, and I've loved it ever since I bought it. So I still continue to use it. I've probably had it for about a good year now. Here you're going to see me layer on my lashes, which I use the Kiss Volume Pack that you can purchase from Walmart for about $7 or $8. They work well, have worked well for a long time now. Here I go over my lashes with my mascara. If you can see, my dog got a hold of it and he chewed the top. I think he just likes shiny stuff. So please do not judge, because it's still good mascara. He did not get to the actual mascara part, he just chewed on the top. Now I'm going to go ahead and line my waterline with this. It's more like a lilac purple by NYX Cosmetics. It's a purple liner. You can actually purchase from Ulta, or you can actually purchase from the actual NYX Cosmetic store. Coming to the end, you'll see me put in the tear duct at the So Hollywood by Anastasia Beverly. And now you see the full look. I hope you guys like. If you would, please comment, subscribe, as well as like this video. And please let me know what else you would like to see. But I'll definitely be posting every week.